Bonjour mes amis, aujourd'hui nous parlons du superlatif. Alors pour comparer deux personnes ou deux choses, vous dites par exemple Kevin est plus grand que Paul. Kevin is taller than Paul. How would we say Kevin is the tallest? Kevin est le plus grand, the tallest, and you can add this or leave it out, le plus grand étudiant de la classe, the tallest student in the class. New York est plus grand que San Diego. We're comparing two things. How do we say New York is the biggest? New York est la plus grande ville des États-Unis. So now we're making this feminine because ville, city, is feminine. Des États-Unis. C'est quoi la moins grande ville? So moins grande would mean the least big or the smallest. So superlative is talking about the extremes. Out of everything, what is the most, what is the least? So the examples we just saw were with the bags adjectives. And you remember from French 1 that bags represents beauty, age, goodness, and size. And these are the only adjectives that go before a noun when describing something. All the other adjectives go after the noun. So if I say une jeune femme mystérieuse, here's the noun we're describing. Jeune comes before because it's a bags adjective. Mystérieuse, just a regular adjective, goes after the noun. So again, the superlative with the bags adjective. If I would say Clément est le plus ou le moins grand étudiant de la classe, the tallest or the least tall student in the class. Rhode Island est le plus petit État, the smallest state. Maria est la plus jeune étudiante de la classe. And again, you don't have to say de la classe, you can just say she's the youngest student. Plus bon, ça n'existe pas. It's le meilleur. Le meilleur, the best. You can say plus mauvais or le pire. So, qui est le meilleur acteur du cinéma ou la meilleure actrice? Qui est le plus beau chanteur ou la plus belle chanteuse? Ok, avec des adjectifs réguliers, it looks a little strange. For example, Clément est l'étudiant le plus patient. So here is the adjective describing the noun étudiant. Because it's a regular adjective, it comes after the verb. So we're going to repeat this article, l'étudiant, le plus, the most patient student. La Californie est l'État le plus peuplé. Here's our adjective, regular adjective goes after the noun described. And we're repeating this article, l'État le plus. Maria est la personne la plus énergique, the most energetic person. So again, you're repeating that la. Walmart est le magasin le moins cher, the cheapest store, le. So you're repeating that article before and after the noun you are describing. For adverbs, il étudie le plus ou le moins sérieusement. Remember that an adverb describes a verb. So he studies the most or least seriously. You have to have that le because it's a superlative. Of course, we can't say le plus bien. We have to say le mieux. Le plus mal, ça existe, ou le pire. So, qui écrit le mieux? Who writes the best? Qui chante le mieux? Okay, to summarize for bags adjectives, Clément est le plus ou le moins grand étudiant de la classe. He is the tallest or least tall student with a regular adjective. Clément est l'étudiant le plus mystérieux de la classe. So you're repeating that article, le. Adjectif irrégulier, plus bon does not exist. It's le or la meilleur. And meilleur is an adjective, so include the E if it's feminine. La plus mauvaise, you can say that, or la pire. So superlatif des adverbes, il étudie le plus ou le moins sérieusement. He studies the most or least seriously. Le plus bien, ça n'existe pas. It has to be le mieux, or le plus mal, le pire. Okay, so you can pause the video, see if you can say France is the biggest country of the EU. Paul Bocuse, make this imparfait, was the best chef in France, and Bill Gates is the most generous man. La France est le plus grand pays de l'Union européenne. So this is grand is a bags adjective, so le plus grand pays. Paul Bocuse était le meilleur chef. So again, this is a bags adjective, goes before the noun it describes. Bill Gates est l'homme le plus généreux. So this is not, généreux is not a bags adjective, it's just a regular adjective. So you need to repeat that article, le. Pause the video again, see if you can get that. Tom Hanks is the best actor. Tom Hanks acts the best, or he performs the best. Paris Hilton performs the worst. Tom Hanks est le meilleur acteur. Tom Hanks joue le mieux. Paris Hilton joue le pire. Et merci beaucoup, mes amis. Au revoir.